Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Design Curious. Today we are going to discuss Canva Dream Lab that you can use to create images, visuals for your contents. So let's start with the chat GPT. We need to create a story first. You can also choose your blog, your story, whatever you want. So in this case, we ask ChatGPT to create a small story for us so that we can create prompts from the same story to create our visuals. So you can see ChatGPT provided us the story. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to provide us four prompts so that we can generate the images relevant to this story, and later we can add the same in our story, or we can use the same for our videos. So here you can see ChatGPT provided us four prompts. We will copy and paste all four prompts one by one and then paste in Canva Dream Lab. You can choose whatever you want to see your images look like I have selected the smart one. You can also select the ratio and then press the button create. Canva Dream Lab is free to use, but if you buy pro version you can get the 500 credits for a month. So you can see how amazing Dream Lab is. They created four stunning images from this prompt. So one by one you can paste all four prompts and you can see the images, and out of four results against the each prompt it generates, you can choose the best one for your visuals. Here you can see against the each prompt it is providing four images. The same way you can use your own story and you can ask ChatGPT to provide you the prompt so that the relevancy of the images would be best for your story, for your blog, for your content. Otherwise, it is sometimes become difficult for us to create prompts. So you can also see that we can use the sketch or different kind of images it is providing Canva Dream Lab. For the last image I used whatever you can choose the pop art I choose, and here you can see the results. I personally liked all the results Canva Dream Lab generated, but it all depends on your choice. You can also edit your image within Canva. This is another amazing feature for Canva Dream Lab. You can also choose your images for your thumbnails, for your story writing. You can select the text from Canva text library. You can apply different effects, uh, whatever you want, and you can increase or decrease the size of your text, and you can change the position, color. So you can see how amazing Canva features are for your designs. You can also edit your image with the adjustments, increase temperature, uh, play with tints, brightness, contrast, highlights. So this is amazing. You can use your images for your uh, videos, put the images inside your contents. Even if you are sharing the news, you can also uh, create images for your news articles as well with the help of Canva Dream Lab. These are just the small uses for users uh, with Canva Dream Lab, but there are many other uses. We will share all in the later videos. So till now, thank you so much for watching our video, and hope to see you soon with another amazing tutorial for Canva.